I don't know what to say, because they one day they find, the other day they make very, very wrong decisions. I don't know, Genian, but it's not the right thing to do at this stage.
So, what are some of the service delivery issues that you maybe want the government to start looking into?
Everything is going down. The water, there's in 12 months, there's not 1 month there's not a water crisis in Palissy. That's not right. What are they doing? They work 3-4 weeks, the pipe is gone again. It's water all over. No, I don't know. It's a difficult story. This, get some ground, build them houses, but not here. Shacks. I was there the other day. One of my people is staying there. I can't believe what I see. There's nothing. It's only shacks. No toilets, no nothing. No, it's not right.